It's lag time.
Are we done now?
Please let me stop now, please. Please.
Dance!
Dance for the board!
Dance in the front room for money.
Oh, please.
Stop.
No. Take away. You want the camera?
That's really how he dances, you're screwed in a plug.
Like what?
Everybody. Oh. What's a dance competition? Somebody spin your rap.
Do it, get on the floor. On the floor. Don't hit your head on a lamp.
I can't spin. That's the closest I can get to.
It's like a tortoise that's drunk.
Drunken tortoise. You can stop.
Try spinning. It's
I'm
so
really
easy.
good. So, later, we're having a mini Easter egg hunt at my mum's house. Joy. Yeah, because even though 21, 17 pretty much, Mum thought it'd be a good idea for us all to go hunt Easter eggs. So they are actual...
Do we get clues and everything?
I don't know how much she's thought this through. I don't know if they're mini eggs or cream eggs.
Oh,
or
they
mini
just-
cream eggs.
They're Marks and Spencer's eggs, actually.
They're Marks and
Wow.
Spencer's eggs. So they're going to be hidden in the garden and we have to run around.
Do we get baskets?
Unless she stole one from work, which I doubt she did.
So I'm thinking that Liz will get a bit vicious, you're going to get brutal with elbows, and me and Adam just going to be like, nah.
I'm just gonna be like, I don't care.
They're like so overrated.
What's that?
No, Mum was really thought this through.
So cute. Yet so deadly when awake. Auto bed.
What a bed.
Auto bed. No. We tried to do auto pet with the kittens, but they didn't quite understand yet. They're auto petting in training. Bunnies!
Oh no.
Do it again. Do it again.
Let's do it again.
Do it again.
Okay, got evil, woody evil, evil, woody evil. Crime. Let's go, Batman.
You can run down the street in a Batman.
But I need my costume. Because obviously it's an English language superhero fighting crime. I would need pens.
You need pens and
And a book on pragmatics. Boom! I went there.
I'm gonna be.
Because he likes fire. Yeah. Science man's the ultimate dude.
Or the ultimate failure of a superhero, which is PE Man.
Well, PE man just runs about all day. I can run.
I can run and tell you about your run. Well done, you.
I'll beat you with the power of squat thrusts.
Hello. We are superheroes today.
I'm Jedi, so it doesn't matter.
It's far superior. No, we're superheroes now.
I'm not crying about the loss of Jesus. I'm crying about the loss of Obi-Wan Kenobi.
Oh, sad times.
I'm due.
What was the other guy
He
called?
didn't fight back.
No, I didn't. He sucked.
He sort of died a little bit.
One analysed Star Wars, and they were like trying to describe what was going through Obi-Wan's mind at the time when Darth Vader cuts him down. And I was like, you could condense all of that paragraph down to it.
I'm going to have to quack you now.
In CBA.
Stop it!
CBA.
CBA.
I'm done being a Jedi. I'm fed up.
Screw this. I'm just a lonely old man with a soul.
Hunt. Egg hunt. Ready? Oh! Oh, you're horrible!
Jump the
Go!
gate.
Go! Go! Christmas tree!
I get in here. I'm in here. I've no idea. Oh, you two.
Working as a team. Fail. No. Adam's cheating.
I don't want to find any of these. This is the one we
too horrible.
Check down here.
No! That's an eel. That's an eel. I've got one.
I've got 3.
I've got 3.
So there's 3 left. Oh my god, my yeah, but I can't see any, otherwise I think I'm just blind.
Can we get in the shed?
Yeah.
What? Bird table?
No! What no?
Ouchies! Oh, so there's 3 more. I got the sheepy. Is there any more down here? No.
Let's have a count. I've got 3.
I've got one. So there's one more.
Come on.
Ah! I think you're gonna have to share.
I need it.
I'm finished.
How did children do this?
Oh, you got me on my hand. Oh, mine's broke now.
Kitties know how to do autopet yet. They're too tiny. Cool.
No photos.
Piggy. Nom nom nom. This parrot is from Yorkshire. What are you doing with your neck? Handsome. What a terrifying sight.
It's not broachy, it's not broachy.
As you walk into the room,
It's because he doesn't know what that one is, that's the thing.
oh my god.
That's a dime bar cake
That's
for
got
you to
rabbit corn
try.
in it. It's a dime bar cake,
Yeah.
actually made with dime bars.
Yes, darling, you said you'd never tried it, so I thought it were
With crab.
with tissue. Sellotape it to your face, possibly. Have it like.
So are they more effective than what?
Want to grow a moustache?
No, don't go with it. So,
Well, one day. Well, one day.
I'll be gone by then.
And he's out of there.
Controversial.
Quick to the escapement wheel.
You just sitting with your conceits
Dun,
and
dun,
everything.
dun, 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 dun. Oh, the sugar! Oh, the sugar! Yes, the dog needs it. Quick, then you're going for a walk.
Some grey eggs.
Get all the chipmunk stage with the chipmunk and the bird sat there.
Backflip! Just backflip!
He did it again! He did it again!
I thought you meant me to get in there as well, which they're going, woo! Woo!
Breathe. Breathe. Quick, get something savoury.
Kiss.
No. No, she was telling all your stuff on test. Yes.
Yeah, it's fine.
I don't think it will. It will only a matter of time, won't it? So.